In this video, you will learn how to solve this beautiful Olympiad algebraic mathematics problem. Before we solve this problem, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Now, I want you to note two things. That from the law of indices, if you have the square root of a, that the square root of a can be equal to a to the power of 1 divided by 2, and from that expression 2 to the power of 5 can be equal to what? 32. So with this we can simplify that above equation. If we apply this there to the above equation, we're going to have 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2, right? All will be multiplied by y plus 1, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 5. Great. Now, having simplified that, you'll come to see that we can also apply a law of indices that states that if you have a to the power of x multiplied by y, this can be equal to a to the power of x what? Y. So if we have that, knowing that the two exponents will multiply, this will give us 2 to the power of y plus 1 divided by 2, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now recall that according to the law of indices, if you have a to the power of x equal to a to the power of y, that x can be equal to y. Why? Because they have same base. So since these two expressions have the same base, all we simply need to do is to equate the powers. So if we equate the powers, we'll have y plus 1 divided by 2 to be equal to 5. Great. Now what do we do in order to find the value of y? We are going to simply multiply both sides by 2. If we multiply both sides by 2, we'll have y plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by 2, and this will be equal to 5 multiplied by 2. So 2 is going to clear 2, and then we'll have our y plus 1 to be equal to 10. Great. Now having done that, we can simply subtract 1 from both sides to get the value of y. So y plus 1 minus 1 equal to 10 minus 1. With this, 1 will clear 1, and then we'll have our y to be equal to 10 minus 1 is 9. So the value of our y that satisfies that nice algebraic expression is y equal to what? 9. Now we're going to test to find out if the solution we got was correct. If we test that, we are going to see this to become 2 to the power of y plus 1. That's the initial expression given to us, equal to 32. Now let's put in the value of y equal to 10, and that will give us the square root of 2 to the power of 9 plus 1 equal to 2 to the power of 5. Now with this give us, if we simplify this, will it give us 2 to the power of 5? Let's check it out. Now with the value that y is equal to 9, we'll have this to give us 2 to the power of 1 divided by 2, and 9 plus 1 is going to give us 10. So this expression is going to give us the exponents will multiply 2 to the power of 10 divided by 2. Now will this give us 2 to the power of 5? Of course it should. 10 divided by 2 is going to give us 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 2 to the power of 5. That makes it simple. So y equal to 9 is the solution that satisfies that algebraic expression that is given to us up above there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.